All right, so this is Michael Sheehan, Technology Evangelist for GoGrid, and we're here at VMworld 2009 with CEO and co-founder John Kagi. John, how are you doing?
Doing well, Michael. Hi.
Great. First, for those who don't know what GoGrid is, why don't you tell us a little bit about your vision of GoGrid, where it's going, what it is now, and anything else.
GoGrid is a pioneering cloud infrastructure provider, and we're the only public cloud that supports Windows 2008 and a number of other great capabilities.
Great. So what differentiates GoGrid from the other players out in the marketplace?
Well, we're most commonly compared to Amazon.
Okay.
And so Windows 2008 is one thing that differentiates us from them, but so does persistent storage, persistent IP addresses, contiguous blocks of IP addresses, VLANs, persistent VLANs. Things that you expect in a typical data center are things that we recreate in our infrastructure cloud.
Great, and of course the whole concept of hybrid clouds is very hot. A lot of people that I've talked to here at VMworld, their eyes seem to light up when we mentioned, oh, we can connect to physical servers. What's your view on that?
Yeah, it's very popular. Cross-connecting to a physical database server that's dedicated is a popular architecture. And then a lot of people have interesting security considerations. You can co-locate a firewall with us. We'll do a number of other hybrid type of architectures, such as an SSL tunnel or other VPN architectures.
So stuff like doing cloud bursting and that sort of thing.
Those can be done over a tunnel, yeah.
Great, great. So what's your impression of VMworld, the show, and the announcements that are made here and other things that you've seen?
Well, I'm really excited about the focus on cloud.
Okay.
It's quite a difference from 2008.
Yep.
Just about everybody has slapped the word cloud on their booth. But we're a real cloud computing company. We were designed from scratch to be a cloud offering. So I'm excited with where we are positioned.
Great.
One of the most exciting announcements is vCloud, which is what a lot of hosting companies are using to get into the field of cloud services. And I'm excited about our ability to differentiate our service from those services, to offer a more complete feature set, and offer it at a better price, frankly.
So John, why don't you tell me a little bit more about GoGrid, when you came up with the idea, what it's built on, that sort of thing.
Well, GoGrid Compute is built on Zen, and we came up with the idea 4 or 5 years ago when we realized that thanks to virtualization, there was a better way to get your computing than the dedicated server managed hosting model that we were engaged in with our ServePath brand at the time.
Okay.
And so VMware delivers on a lot of that promise, but it wasn't custom designed for use in a public cloud. And so we've built our own system that enables you to do anything you can do in your own data center, but do it in our cloud with a mouse or with an API call.
That's great. Any future thoughts of the direction of GoGrid? Anything we should look for?
Well, it's more and more about automation.
Okay.
And we're getting to the point now where you're able to do things in the cloud that you can't do in your own data center. So this isn't just about outsourcing. This is about being able to do new things you couldn't do before.
Okay.
So as an example of that, with